Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the best ways to get your lawnmower ready for the upcoming spring season. If your mower's been sitting all winter long, it's well overdue for a round of maintenance. Here are some essential steps in prepping your mower. Clean under the lawnmower. Ideally, this should have been done before storing away in the winter and should be done after each use. Remove any grass and debris from around the blades. Ensure your lawnmower is off and not able to start accidentally before performing this task. Change the mower's oil. Most mowers need their oil changed every 20 to 50 hours of operation, or at least once a year. Remove the oil cap and then tilt the mower onto its side. Let the oil drain into the pan and then replace the oil cap when finished. To determine the proper way to change your mower's oil, refer to your owner's manual. Check the fuel. If fuel has been sitting in your gas tank for more than a month, it's a good idea to change it out. Add fresh fuel and stabilizer to prevent the fuel from breaking down and clogging up the carburetor and fuel lines. Check the air filter. Having a clean or new air filter can help your mower run like new. The air filter should be replaced after 25 hours of use. If it's clogged and dirty, your mower may not run at all. Fuel filter. It's important that your fuel filter remains clean for effective operation of your lawnmower. If it gets clogged with debris, your engine may not run properly. Clean or replace your fuel filter at least once per season to keep it running smooth. Inspect the spark plug. If your spark plug is bad, your engine may not turn over. Check your spark plug for signs of corrosion or melted electrodes. If your spark plug is dirty, you can clean it with a wire brush or simply replace it. You can also use a spark plug tester to determine if the plug is bad. Check the blades. Check to see if the blades need to be sharpened or replaced. You can sharpen the blades yourself, but be sure to balance the blades before reinstalling it. An unbalanced blade can cause damage to the mower itself. Check your blade height. Check to make sure the height of your blade is correct. Too low and it can damage your grass. The optimal height is 1 inch. This can vary depending on the type of grass you have or what you personally prefer. Check your belts. Some mowers use belts to propel themselves. If your mower uses a belt, check it for wear, cracking, or damage. If there are any signs of damage or wear, you will need to replace it. Thanks for watching. Remember, our YouTube channel has thousands of videos to help you repair all of your outdoor power equipment and power tools. And if you have any questions for us, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.